Walmart app Reddit discussions often focus on the same problems: login issues, checkout errors, order updates, pickup problems, and app performance after updates. By the end, you'll know what Walmart app users commonly discuss online, which complaints appear most often, and what steps to try before contacting support. The first thing people usually mention is app reliability. Users often discuss situations where the Walmart app does not load correctly, features disappear, or something that worked before an update stops working. When this happens, the problem may be connected to the app version, saved app data, account settings, or a temporary service issue. A common step users recommend is checking whether the app is updated. Open your device's app store, look for the Walmart app, and install any available update. If the app still behaves incorrectly, users often suggest closing the app completely and reopening it. This refreshes the connection and can remove temporary glitches. Another frequent topic is account and login problems. Users discuss issues where they cannot access their account, orders do not appear, or account information does not match what they expect. The first step is checking that you are signed into the correct Walmart account. Orders and saved information are connected to the account used during shopping. Checkout and payment problems are another common discussion area. Users report issues where items cannot be purchased, payment options do not work correctly, or the checkout process stops. For checkout problems, review your cart, confirm your payment information, and remove items that may be causing the order to fail. Pickup and delivery issues also appear regularly in user discussions. People often check store selection, order details, and availability information when pickup or delivery options do not appear correctly. Reddit discussions can show patterns from other customers, but individual fixes depend on the exact problem. A solution that works for one account may not solve another account's issue. When contacting Walmart support, provide the exact error message, your device type, what you were trying to do, and the steps that caused the problem. The main points are simple. First, Walmart app discussions often focus on updates, login problems, checkout, and orders. Second, basic troubleshooting can solve many temporary app issues. Third, detailed information helps support identify the correct fixed item. Your next step is to update the app, check your account details, and document the problem before asking for help. If this guide helped you understand Walmart app reviews, like the video and subscribe for more practical troubleshooting guides.